I love y'all.
The best memory definitely has to be making some of the friends that will definitely go beyond the organization.
A Rotaract Club which does community service and helps people who are in need, which is true, but when I actually joined RCNM, I realized that there are many avenues and it's not only about working for your own avenue but also working as a whole, as a team, and making a difference together, because that's what RCNM represents.
I've been a part of Rotaract for only 2.5 months and it has already been such a great experience.
Stress buster.
One word for my members and the would be diligent.
No, not at all. RCNM is very much beyond my expectation. It is way more thrilling, exciting and fun.
One word for our president would be our support system.
According to me, the first word that I heard was creativity.
How was my experience at RotoFest? It was the highlight of my year at RCNM till now, and to have an online event and make it so much fun at such a big scale is just...
The tagline which I would like to give my avenue is social media relations, let's connect socially.
The best meme to describe the people of RCNM would be multiple Spider-Men pointing at each other saying that you are RCNMite, even I am an RCNMite. There are a lot of RCNMites.
The content we create, the jobs that are given out to us are really creative and they are really interesting. That's why it made me learn social media relations.
So I'll describe it as finding and relating to the relatable content we have been producing.
No, not yet as I'm a newcomer, but would love to share projects in the future.
Well, the best thing Rotaract has given me is the amount of memories and the friends that I made.
Working together with the most smart directors and the cooperative co-workers. I'm super excited for the 25th year celebration.
So I definitely for sure know that it is going to come up with a lot of good content in 2022.
RCNM is not only about working but it's also about fun and entertainment. So it also helps you gain a lot of confidence when you share your ideas with different members of different avenues.
I think all Rotaractors are reliable. You can always count on them to help.
We just need to make one call and we get a sponsorship. No constant follow-ups, no negotiations, nothing needed.
If I were to say a quote about my avenue, it would be, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together.
Best part about my avenue is that it helps me grow consistently and provides me a base to develop my overall personality.
My best Rotaract year so far is my director year, 2021.
Yes, we have met each other and that is during an event organized by us.
There are so many projects which I'm eagerly waiting for, but the most among them will be World Rotaract Week and Lab.
The best part about interactors is that they are always fun and I'm curious to know more about them.
No, there are no regrets joining RCNM.
I think it would be the opposite.
RCNM has proved me very wrong. Unexpected but worthy things happen here and I am very surprised and impressed with it.
The district project I love the most is RED. I made a lot of new friends and it was very fun.
People have this misconception that we think of startup ideas all the time.
I like its events, its projects and it's very on RotoFest. I'm always excited to attend meetings with our directors.
Patience, relationships and maturity.
Being a part of PA team in RotoFest, really amazing experience.
In RCNM, I haven't attended any GPM offline and that is why I'm actually very excited for offline GPM.
I was active in all the meets, whether be it group body meetings or departmental meets, I was always there.
Yes, I would definitely like to host or volunteer any event if I get an opportunity to do it.
I feel much simpler than my board examination.
That I'll ask the sports team and let you all know.
I would give 10 on 10 ratings. Thank you.
Really amazing. They're really motivating.
If I had to be in an avenue other than SMR, then I would still choose to be in SMR because SMR is the best.
Actually, yes, like the major thing which we do is creatives, but it's not just creative. We have to be updated with the recent trends and create content, think about ideas through which the viewers can actually relate to, through which they can interact, and yeah, there are other small aspects as well.
Anything at RCNM, always infinity.
Why did I join RCNM? Because of curiosity.
An 11.
It's a fun and creative place for me to learn and grow.
And 11 on 10.
Connecting with small businesses is very, very easy. Just purchase a commodity from them and build a good relation with them by being their loyal customer.
I guess it would be a 9.5 and all.
Some of the friends that I made because of RCNM are Jia, Brinda and Aditi.
Both of them were amazing and had too much fun.
The life without RCNM would be miserable.
In which RCNM event did I enjoy the most? I enjoyed the most in the evening, the content.
10 out of 10.
According to me, our attractiveness projects the quality of coordination. One should be able to coordinate with other members.
Best song to describe RCNM would be Can't Hold Us because we keep breaking a lot of barriers.
10 on 10.
Professional development gives an opportunity to students to expand their knowledge by conducting interesting and interactive workshops.
I feel road track clubs are really very important for one's all-round development. When you're in college, they are formative years, and it really prepares you for your career, your future, and even for life.
I promise that you'll never find another like me.
We know we can reach all heights. You know, we are the RCNMI.
Getting a chance to organize events maybe.
What makes the Rotaract Club different from other clubs?
Its avenues, there are 13 different avenues with a wide range of opportunities.
I shall say diversity, because honestly I didn't expect so many departments to be the way they are. Like if you love literature, you like finance, you like debates, there's a department for each and every one of them. Honestly, from my point of view, I never expected that.
Do Rotaract events make you excited or nervous?
Yes, they make me excited, but sometimes they make me feel nervous at the same time.
Yes, I would join RCNM next year.
Perfect, 10 on 10. Thank you so much, and that's it from me.
Of course, 10 on 10. My SMR team is the best.
The experience had been amazing. I would say a full 10 on 10.
Definitely a 10. I had so much fun making this.
9.5.
This experience of the 73 questions was also great. Thank you, RCNM.
And I would rate this initiative 10 out of 10 because it's really fun to answer these questions in an interesting way. Thank you.